Hello guys, so welcome to Kayo tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. As you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this bedroom over here. That's your bedroom interior. So let's continue it. So very first of all, now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be just going into this. Just convert to poly. Just convert to poly. Select the vertices, will slightly just push it inside. Definitely convert to poly. Select the vertices, slightly just push it inside. So now what we'll be doing over here is like we'll be creating this bigger cushion. That's your bigger for the support over here. What we'll be doing over here is like we'll go into this view and let's take a chamfer box over here, which will be covering this much of the area. So after you have taken this chamfer box over here, very first of all we'll go into this and let's give some segments and Alt Q. Let's go into this and give FFD box. So let's go into this FFD box, into the vertices of this FFD box. So control points, select this control points, slightly will be just pushing this control points in this way. Select this, push it out, and now what we'll be doing over here is like we'll be going on all the views probably. So let's select this, push it up, push this down. So select this, all, push it out. Alright, so let's select this, and if you want we can just scale it inside. Let's scale this inside. Alright, so you can just again see the reference over here how you want. After that, let's convert to editable poly again over here, and we have an option over here. We can use this option, move conform brush. We can slightly edit this stuff in that way and isolate this. So definitely we'll be utilizing this stuff. We can use the Freeform tools also. If required, you can use that also, not a problem. So let's just slightly push it over here and let's make a copy of it. So we can easily make the copy of this, just save the file. Now what I want over here is like I want to work with the bed sheet over here. So again I will take a plane over here. So I'll be increasing its segments over here and I'll slightly just push it up, and this time I'll rotate it in this way. So let's just rotate this in such a way. You can rotate it like this till here. So again, let's save your file first. Animation, Mass Effects, Cloth, create M cloth. Select this, 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 this. Animation, Mass Effects, rigid body. So we'll be assigning a static rigid body for now. So select all of this. So let's go down over here and let's make this shape type as original. Shape type as original. Shape type. So once you're done with all of this, select this, animation, Mass Effects, cloth, simulation, play simulation. So right click, convert to editable poly. So once you're done with this, always save as your file. So if your one file gets crash or deleted, so we can go with the second file. So for a good backup, for a good reason, you can do that. After that, let's go into this and let's give a shell modifier. So we can slightly give a shell modifier over here. After giving a shell modifier, you can not fully shift it. Shell should be very less. And let's go into this and give again a FFD box. So if you want, you can shift it in the way as you want. So convert to editable poly. We can go into this freeform tools, and into that freeform you have a noise option. Let's use a bit of noise over here to make it look more uneven. So let's make it look more uneven. If you want that few of the details, if you want more of the details, you can go for it. Also, what I can do is like I can use a bit of conform over here and I can slightly edit this. I can so you also have a relax option. With that, also the conform option. If you really want to fold it, you can fold it with the FFD box. That would be a better option. So if you go with the FFD box and if you select this, this, and if you really want to fold it, you can definitely fold this, push it up in this way. You can do that. The best option, or else what you can do over here is like, when you are doing such stuff, you can put some objects over here, so you can get a kind of a fold over here. So that is also a good option, because holding this would definitely obstruct the mesh, or I can say the mesh will be deformed. So whenever you're doing it, you can put something on top of it, then you can use that particular fold. Anyways, so let's again convert to editable poly over here. Now let's create this small pillows over here. So this pillows can also be created. So how we can create this small pillows? For this pillows, I can go into the extended primitives, and you have an option called capsule over here. So let's use a capsule option over here. Let's use a bit of a capsule over here. So capsule is a good way or good form of creating such stuff. So in this you also have this option, your height, very first of all, radius and height segments. So if you want to give some height segments, you can go with the height segments. And let's give FFD cylinder. So we'll be going through this stuff. So we can, if you want to do some changes over here, that can be done in that way, much better. So right click and isolate this and convert to editable poly. And you can slightly duplicate this. So we'll be taking the same pillow over here, we'll be just resizing that, because all that's going to be the same stuff. So let's go into this, convert to editable poly, go into freeform, and we have an option called pinch option. So what I can do over here is like, I can easily pinch this stuff over here. So pinch is like, it's actually going to squeeze those elements over here. So let's do some kind of pinching over here. So we have a pinch and spread option, so you can use this pinch and spread. You can use this stuff like this. Alright, so if you want that you want to add some loops over here, you can definitely add some loops over here. And if you feel to squeeze some of the parts, you can easily squeeze that. Alright. So I want to make it more fluffy. See, as we have gone through some previous tutorials where we had used a cloth and we have given some pressure, for that also you can use this properties for this pillows also, not a problem. So right click and end isolate it, and let's give turbo smooth over here, and let's slightly just rotate this. Scale it. So definitely it should not be much bigger, but you can easily scale this, mirror it, and slightly copy this over here. So just keep on saving the file over here. So guys, if you have any doubts, please write it in the comment section over here. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So definitely you want to put some more details, you can go with that. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.